Tonight, County Council voting on two big ordinances that have been controversial, to say the least. Our Philip Ward was there tonight for the meeting. And Philip, what did the votes come down to, and what did Council decide on?
Well, Mike, $1.5 million going to the DEI Commission. Right there you see it. That was one thing they voted on. That was huge, Mike. Another thing was $1 million going to Erie County Care Management for what they're calling a homeless project. Now, those were the two big ordinances that we voted on tonight. Council passed them. The Davis administration, Mike, left disappointed, to say the least. County Council, now with a 5-2 Democratic majority, were able to give more money to the DEI Commission. It's a move that, according to Chief Administrative Officer Gary Lee, says it's much needed to
develop home ownership, as well as apprentice and the training programs, as well as healthcare initiatives. So we're going to be able to go to phase 2 and partner with different entities within the community and get the money out to the business owners that really could use this extra investment.
County Council Chairman Terry Scatella has had questions of the commission in the past, but now believes they're on the right track.
I saw their plans, that's what they're going to do. If they didn't get this money, they were done June 30th. And that just is not right for this community.
But even though council voted to give them more money, the Davis administration says the funding isn't going out.
County executive right now isn't comfortable with another million to that. We haven't been able to see that leveraging aspect where they go out and seek other funding from other organizations to partner to really compound that dollar. We didn't see that from that organization as was requested, so the county executive really has no plans to certify that ordinance.
A problem that continues in areas homelessness and finding solutions for fixing it. Council passed an ordinance for what ECCM is calling the Homeless Project, but Carroll is still skeptical of funding that as well.
They defied their own solicitor. Mr. Tallarico advised them that voting for these would be operating outside of their abilities, and we completely agree with Solicitor Tallarico on that. So these funds will not be certified, and there will be no funds flowing to these organizations. But we welcome council to come back, work with the administration, and develop a real plan for homelessness.
Mike, it's also worth pointing out that members of the public spoke for nearly 2 hours tonight on an item that wasn't even on the agenda, that being the lease agreement between Erie County and Gannon University for Project Neptune using the Blasco Library. Almost everyone that spoke said that they want that lease to be rescinded. A lot of news tonight, Mike, that we will continue to follow. Live in the studio, Philip Ward, Erie News Now.